All right, quick Tesla update here on the 17th. So this is breaking out again. Said that was possible in the last video. 460 is the target. You can see up here 450-ish. So I was watching this yesterday during the rate cut decision, trading it a little bit. Ended up getting in at the end of the day because we broke this high right here at 424. So I was watching to see if this was going to come down more. But instead, the C wave is finished right here because it broke above this high, and that's where I entered at. If it were to come down and I end up being wrong, my stop loss would be below 411. Well, I'm using Tesla L, so it's below whatever the low is on that. I think it's like 18, something like that. But at this moment, this is looking like a wave 3. So it looks like this is actually, there's two different possibilities. It could be a wave 4 here or right here. It's probably more likely this is a wave 1 because you get 5 waves up here. And then you get A, B, C down. So this is wave 1 right here. Wave 2. So where would you expect wave 3 to go? Somewhere around 434. 433 to 434. And so that would be overall wave 3. If we look overnight, I'm pretty sure it's around that area. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so it's at 432.82. So yeah, that was my plan all along. If it broke above here to get in, and it's working out pretty good. So I'm looking for 434 here. That's the 1.61 fib. And this also makes sense on smaller time frames as well. But as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be the overall third wave right there. And then the only other possibility of this being bearish would be if it's an expanded flat. So you'd have to have A, B, C like that. And I don't think that's going to happen. I think that this is just a wave 3 here. Pretty classic wave 3. And then you should expect a pullback to maybe like 428, 429. And then let's add on the first wave. And you get right there to 450, and that's where the resistance is at as well. So I would expect 4, and then I'm expecting 5 up here, and then that should complete 5 waves. Going back to the hourly, you can see from this bottom that I said is B or 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from there, like I said in the last video, we're looking to see, is this a wave C or is this a wave 3 overall? If it's a wave C, we sell off hard. If it's a wave 3, we should get a modest pullback and then move higher after that. Those are the two options. So you can see how this all works together. This is in a wave 3 of overall wave 5. Expect 450 to hit. And as far as divergences go, I mean, it looks fine to me. It looks completely fine. Yeah, looks great, even on the weekly time frame. So we'll see how it goes. That's my update for right now. Look for 450. Look for 434 in the morning. Invalidation is going to be if it comes back into this right here. If it comes back into 423, 422, that area right here, that is invalidation. But as long as it goes like this, you should expect 450. All right, that's it for this update. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.